going off. They were quiet. They weren't as loud when they started. They kind of blasted them. Everyone's starting to come out here and sit. Starting to get windy. The sun has came out. Tomorrow it's supposed to be clear. I wish that was today, but the wind, look at that, look at the lake, it's blowing 2 different directions. Go look on the TV and see where it is.